Fill in the blanks with articles and prepositions. We stayed at dash hotel, that is just dash few steps away dash the museum. This is the answer of this question. We stayed at the hotel, that is just a few steps away from the museum. Voice change. The man was shot last night. Change the voice change. Actually, this sentence is in passive voice. This is the answer of this question. Here, actually, the base verb is shoot. The past tense of shoot is shot, and the past participle form is also shot. The answer is someone shot the man last night. This is in active voice. Actually, the question was in passive voice and there was no subject in the question. That is why we have to bring a subject here. Someone is the subject. So, someone shot the man last night. This is in the active voice. Or we can also write the police shot the man last night. Here, the police is the subject in this sentence, in this active voice. Joining. I saw the train coming. Immediately, I caught hold of the little boy. We have to join these two sentences with no sooner. This is the answer. No sooner had I seen the train coming than I caught hold of the little boy. If we have to use no sooner, then we have also to use then with the phrase no sooner. And this sentence has become a negative sentence. So, no sooner had I seen the train coming than I caught hold of the little boy. Some exceptional voice change with exceptional rules. Active voice is he killed himself. The passive voice is he was killed by himself. Next example, it is time to open the door. The passive voice is it is time for the door to be opened. We have used here to be verb. Next example, someone has picked my pocket. This is active voice. The passive voice is my pocket has been picked. The next example, I was obliged to go. এটার বাংলা অর্থ হলো আমাকে বাধ্য করা হয়েছিল যেতে। The active voice is circumstances obliged me to go. এর বাংলা অর্থ হলো পরিস্থিতি আমাকে যেতে বাধ্য করেছিল। So this was in the passive voice and this is in the active voice. The next example is give them cakes. The passive voice is let cakes be given to them. We have used here let in the passive voice. There are two objects. Them, this is the indirect object, and cakes, this is the direct object. The passive voice is let cakes be given to them. The rule is first let, then the direct object. Here the direct object is cakes. Then we have added a be. Then V3. This means the past participle form of the verb. Here the past participle is given. And finally the indirect object. Here the indirect object is them. So this has been placed here in this place, them. Quasi-passive voice. Quasi-passive voice is to be changed into passive form, applying different ways according to the nature of the sentence. This is the first example and this is the active voice. The book reads well. The passive voice is the book is well when it is read. In this way, we have to make the passive voice from active voice. Second example, the pen writes smooth. The passive voice is the pen is smooth when it is written with. Third example is the book is printing. This is a different type of sentence and the passive voice is the book is being printed. The next example is the book is selling well. The passive voice is the book is being sold well. The next example is rice is selling at a high price. The passive voice is rice is being sold at a high price. So in this way we have to make passive voice from active voice for quasi-passive voice change.